My name's Mark, I'm a body technician, and I work for Craftsman Collision. The tools we use in the measuring process are the electronic target, the connecting stem to hang the target on the vehicle, and the laser scanner. The measuring process is the scanner hits the targets and sends the information to the Wedge Clamp Eclipse measuring system, and then it shows me the damaged and non-damaged parts of the vehicle. It also allows me to print a three-dimensional before and after picture for the insurance company. The advantage of the Wedge Clamp Eclipse system is it self-calibrates when I turn it on, and it gives me 100% accuracy every time. In today's high-tech environment, I wouldn't use any other system.